finished beetroot hummus. This is for the freezer. So I've covered this one with an extra bit of green. So I don't know what I'm expecting from that actually, just maybe some protection. So once they're covered, they're put in the freezer and we'll defrost them and use them as we need. Roasted garlic. Okay, all the ingredients. So garlic roasted, olive oil, black pepper, salt, and I will be adding some fried onions to the garlic as well. And I'll be doing this in half portion. And this ready. I have full tin here of beans, so as you can see, so we've got chickpeas here, a full tin. I'll pour some of the water off, just a little bit of the water off. I've added all the ingredients in there. Tahini, 2 tablespoons of tahini, garlic, roasted onions, roasted beetroot, a tin of chickpeas, and the chickpeas water is added also. So this is the blender, and then as you can see, what I'm going to do now is blend the whole lot together. So if you could look inside there, it's well and truly blended, but I need to wipe the sides down some, pull the stuff from the sides, and we'll be blending one more time briefly, and then it'll be ready. So we have chopped some green to put on the top of the finished beetroot hummus. When I dish it out,